Welcome to the Syncfusion Code Studio tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to install and initialize OpenSpec and build a voice notes app using AI agents in Syncfusion Code Studio. When building applications with AI, unclear instructions can lead to unpredictable results. Spec-driven development, or SDD, solves this by defining what you want to build before any code is written. It focuses on clear requirements, well-defined behavior, and explicit constraints, helping AI generate reliable and maintainable applications. Let's get started. First, ensure that Node.js version 19.0 or later and Syncfusion Code Studio are installed. If you want to learn how to get started with Syncfusion Code Studio, check out the video linked in the card or in the description. Next is setting up the project. First, I open Syncfusion Code Studio with an empty folder named Voice Notes App, where I'll build the application. Next, I open the terminal to install OpenSpec and run the command npm install -g @fission -ai /OpenSpec at latest. Once the installation is complete, I initialize OpenSpec by running the command openspec init. When prompted by Code Studio to select an AI provider, I choose GitHub Copilot. Though OpenSpec doesn't yet have native Code Studio support, it works seamlessly with GitHub Copilot, ensuring a smooth experience inside the editor. After setting up, as you'll notice, two new folders created in the project, GitHub and OpenSpec. The GitHub folder contains the skills and prompts that OpenSpec uses to communicate with GitHub Copilot in Code Studio to plan and implement the application. These OpenSpec prompts are specialized instructions that guide the AI's behavior at each stage of development. The OpenSpec folder contains everything related to spec-driven development. The Changes folder tracks the proposals, designs, and tasks as requirements evolve. The Specs folder stores the finalized specifications, which define what the application should do. And the Config file holds the settings that control OpenSpec's behavior. The next step is to build the application. To convert ideas into a structured plan, OpenSpec needs a clear description of what needs to be built. You have to describe the app in simple language, and Code Studio generates a structured plan that includes a proposal, design, specifications, and tasks. I open the Code Studio chat panel, where agent mode is already enabled by default. Then, I run the opsx propose command and write a description of the voice notes app. Based on the input, Code Studio generates a set of structured files and saves them in the OpenSpec Changes folder. These include a proposal that summarizes what to build, a design document that explains how it will be built, a task list that breaks the work into clear steps, and detailed specs for each component. Before moving ahead, these markdown files must be reviewed carefully. They can be edited directly if anything needs refinement or clarification. Since everything appears correct, I'll proceed to the build phase. I run the opsx apply command in the chat panel. Code Studio reads every specification and task, then starts generating the application step by step. The Voice Notes app is being built directly from specifications, without writing code manually. After the build finishes, I start the development server. Now, I'll open the app in the browser and test the full experience. I record the voice and view the transcribed text. Save the notes, and confirm that all features work smoothly. A fully functional Voice Notes web application is successfully created. To wrap things up, I organize the project. Run the opsx archive command. This moves all finalized specifications into a permanent specs folder and archives the current change set. The workspace is now clean, structured, and ready for future enhancements. A voice notes web app using spec-driven development with Syncfusion Code Studio is ready. Let's wrap up this video. In this video, I showed you how to install and initialize OpenSpec and build a voice notes app using AI agents in Syncfusion Code Studio. By following the plan, apply, run, and archive workflow, you've seen how clear specifications lead to predictable, maintainable, AI-powered development. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please like it and subscribe to the channel.